Oh my, oh my, oh my. Did you guys like that little preview that you just seen? I'm about to show y'all how to make some delicious iced oatmeal cookies. But first of all, welcome to DOZZY'S Life. Hopefully you guys like the video and subscribe and give me a good old thumbs up. Now all of the ingredients will be on the screen, so y'all going to get everything that you need, and I'll be right here waiting. I'll be right back. Well, y'all, let's go on ahead and get into it. With that 1 stick of butter, we're just going to add our sugars to it, and we're just going to mix that with a hand mixer. You can also do this by hand and or a stand mixer. Now just add your eggs in there and go ahead and start mixing that up as well. And make for sure all of your ingredients are room temperature. Now add in your vanilla extract and go on ahead and mix that as well. Now start adding in your dry ingredients and just continue to mix. Your batter should look just like this. It is ready for us to go ahead and start scooping. At this point, you can add in some raisins, any kind of morsels that you like. dried cranberries. I mean, whatever you like, you can add in your batter at this point. So now we're going to go on ahead and get ready to start scooping. These cookies do not spread very much, so this right here is a very good spacing for them. So y'all go on ahead and start laying down your cookies. We're going to go on ahead and put them in the oven at 350 for about 11 to 13 minutes. Watch them because they cook fast. So once they become golden around the edges, pull them. Here I'm just sifting my powdered sugar so I can go ahead and make this delicious glaze. And I did altogether add in 5 tablespoons of the heavy cream with the 2 cups of the powdered sugar, and just going ahead and mix that until it becomes very nice and smooth. So once you get it nice and smooth, it is ready to start putting on the cookies, y'all. It's almost time. All right, y'all, it is nice and smooth. So we're just gonna dip them in the icing. And if you don't want to, you can take a spatula, spoon, or whatever you may have and go on ahead and just put it on there and just sit them on to the side so it can start hardening up. So I'm gonna go on ahead and finish these off. I got to show y'all these delicious cookies. Make these for your friends and family, and this is the time of year when a lot of people have company. So go on ahead and get this recipe knocked out so people will have something sweet and delicious to eat. And they will thank you for these, trust me. And you can also package these up and mail them as gifts to one of your loved ones. Y'all better try these cookies and hit me down in the comment box and let me know how they turned out for you. Please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you all on the next one. Bye.